Guys, welcome to a Savings Highway Global video. I want to show you guys how to make some money, and I want to do it very quickly. You've seen my video somewhere on, one of my profiles, and I told you to come to this link, and now you're at this video. How am I going to make money in 2024, or if you're seeing this in the next year? How do we do it? So right here, you have a platform. Programs out here will pay you to refer their products. It's been like this for years. You don't have to overthink it. Do your research. Look these companies up. This company is called Savings Highway Global. Look it up. You're going to see mixed reviews, but on the Better Business Bureau, you're going to see an A+ rating, and this company has been around for 17 years, and it's still around for a reason. So these guys offer memberships. They offer 3 different memberships. If we come over here, we can look at them. Everything straight to the point. It's a savings membership, so you're going to have savings on hotels. You're going to have savings on cruises when you get to platinum and titanium, shopping, recreation, car and home insurance, credit repair. If we get over here, you're going to see even more benefits. If we get to the bigger membership, you're going to see Travel Portal 2. You're going to see global travel assistance. Some of this stuff might resonate a little more. Roadside assistance, doctors on call, vision discount, save up to 85% on prescriptions outside of what you already have, free tax counseling hotline, free financial help hotline. What I noticed though is a lot of people always want to say, what's the product? But most of the time, people never really go through every little thing, especially when if they want to make money online. But for a relaxing experience, you should know there's a lot of benefits with this company. How are you going to make money in this company? Compensation plan means nothing to newbies because you've never been in this type of business. So I can tell you, you're going to make $100 per titanium membership, $50 per platinum membership, $10 per gold membership. But when we start getting into these other things, you won't understand. Just know there's multiple ways to get paid in this industry. So now we're going to switch it to how can I help you get paid? So what I've been doing for a very long time is doing short form video. Short form video is how you're here, how everyone buys anything. That's what I'm going to help you do. If you're someone that doesn't want to show your face, you want to go faceless, we can help you with that. If you're someone that doesn't mind talking, I can help you, critique your message, know who you're speaking to in your target audience, and we can go that way. You can start doing that now, today. It's not like a long learning process where you got to know the sales psychology or anything. That's the later stuff. That's when you just want to perfect your craft. You can start doing this right now. But what's so even key, guys, the membership, I don't know if you paid attention. The first membership with Savings Highway Global is $20 a month. So not only are you going to earn money on subscriptions every single month, it's a low overhead for you. And what's even better about this program is in the back office, they have apps. Let me zoom in for you. Hopefully you can see this. This is one of the apps, one of the official banks of the NBA. This app says, hey, if you deposit $50 and get you a Sofi account, I use third-party banking apps when I'm doing business anyways. When I'm signing up for these subscriptions, it's through my third-party app. I transfer money into this. I don't use my major bank accounts. When you deposit $50 into this, we're going to give you $25. So I just told you this costs you how much? And obviously you can join the other memberships if you want. Just one of our apps in the back office, you can get your money back. Yeah, you deposited $50 on this, but it's still your $50, but you just made $25. And another thing you can do is every time you get someone else to join SHG, they decide to do the same and get this, they're going to give you $75. So your first customer today can pay you not only $20 with Savings Highway Global, but it can also pay you another $75 if you utilize the apps. And there's a whole bunch of apps in the back office as well, guys. So I wanted to keep this video short. You're excited. So I'm going to send you to the sign up link. I'm going to send you to this website. You can pick and choose whatever membership you like. And you're going to get some emails from me. So anytime you join me, look in the back, look in your email. There's going to be some steps to set your account up. I'm also going to show you the other perks we have in the back office outside of the benefits I showed you. And that's Savings Highway Global. And that's how you're going to make some money now. That's how you're going to make some money every single week with this program. If you're watching this on YouTube, Make sure you follow and make sure you have the notifications on because I upload on this page all the time.